In today's video, I'm going to give you a complete Monday.com demo walkthrough and show you exactly how to create boards step by step. If you're brand new to Monday.com or just want a clear overview of how everything works, this guide will walk you through the entire process, from landing on the dashboard to creating and organizing your first board. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials, just like this. Let's get started. When you first log in to Monday.com, you'll land on the main workspace dashboard. This is your central hub. From here, you can access your boards, dashboards, documents, and inbox. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll see your workspace structure. This is where all of your boards live. Think of the workspace as the top-level container, and inside it, you create boards to manage different projects or workflows. Take a moment to explore this main dashboard. You'll notice options to switch between different workspaces if you have multiple ones, and you'll also see recent activity and quick access to your most important boards. Getting familiar with this layout is important because this is where you'll navigate every day when managing projects. Now let's create your first board. In the left sidebar, click on the plus icon labeled Add. From the drop-down menu, select New Board. Monday.com will then ask how you want to create your board. For this demo, choose From Scratch, so we can build everything step by step. Next, give your board a name. For example, you can call it Project Demo Board. After naming it, you'll need to choose the board type. You'll see three options: Main, Private, and Shareable. A main board is visible to everyone in your account. A private board is only visible to you and invited members. A shareable board allows you to collaborate with external guests, like clients. Choose the option that best fits your needs, and then click Create Board. Once your board is created, you'll notice it starts with default groups. Groups are horizontal sections that help you organize tasks. By default, you might see something like Group Title, but you can easily rename it. Click on the group name and change it to something meaningful, such as To Do. To better structure your workflow, add more groups. You can create groups like In Progress and Done. This setup works great for basic project tracking and gives you a clear visual representation of where tasks stand. To add a new group, simply click Add Group at the bottom of the board and rename it accordingly. Now let's customize your columns. Columns define the type of information you track for each task. Click on Add Column on the right side of your board. You'll see many column types available, but let's focus on the most essential ones. First, add a status column. This allows you to track progress using labels like Working on it, Stuck, or Done. Next, add a People column, so you can assign tasks to specific team members. Then add a Date column to set deadlines. And finally, add a Text column if you want to include notes or additional descriptions for each task. These columns form the backbone of most project management workflows in Monday.com. Of course, you can always add more advanced columns later, such as numbers, timelines, or file uploads, but these basics are perfect for getting started. Now it's time to add items, which are essentially your tasks. Inside your To-Do group, click on Add Item. Type in the name of your task, such as Design Homepage or Prepare Presentation. After entering the task name, move across the row to fill in the details. In the Status column, select the current progress. In the People column, assign the task to a team member. In the Date column, choose a deadline from the calendar. And in the Text column, you can add any notes or context related to that task. Repeat this process to add more tasks under To Do, In Progress, or Done. As work moves forward, you can drag and drop tasks between groups to update their stage. This makes it incredibly easy to visualize your workflow and keep everyone aligned. And that's your basic Monday.com demo walkthrough on how to create boards. You've explored the main dashboard, created a new board from scratch, set up groups, added essential columns, and created tasks with assignments and deadlines. From here, you can continue customizing your board to match your exact workflow. If this tutorial helped you understand how to use Monday.com and create your first board, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.